Rihanna, this inspired me right here, mamita. So you know Mr. Worldwide had to check in. This beat's perfect for me to teach the world a little bit more about me. Before you speak, listen. I always make it happen. I don't believe in wishing or wishes or should'ves or would'ves or could'ves or can'ts or won't. So don't come to me with that there epitome of irony. I'm a gentleman bastard. Burn me, throw me in the ocean. Y'all can keep the casket. I see who you're not, so let's see how long that mask fit. My whole life's been a flagrant foul, but somehow I still made the basket. Yeah, they all tough behind the mic, I bet, until they get their ass kicked. I'm a diamond in the rough, I ain't cut right. And make sure when you cut them things that they cut right. I don't floss, I don't rock ice, but if you listen and learn, then I just might show you how I took my life from soft white to playing concerts with Rihanna on the same night in Tokyo, baby. Let's ride. Now that's what you call two diamonds in the sky.